Hello and welcome to Excel functions and formulas. In this lecture, we'll be seeing about the logical functions. So let us get into the Excel part. So we'll be seeing about the logical functions. So we'll be seeing the basic logical functions first, which is very important. First your AND function, then your OR function, then your IF function. So normally we have to use the function in the values. Okay, the function has to be worked in the values. So we take any two scoreboards. Okay, suppose score 1 and score 2. There are two scoreboards, score 1 and score 2. So I'll just take random values, say 12, 54, 55, 66, 76, 45, 23. The same way the score 2, I take some random value, say 5, 76, say 34, 13, 44, 87, 9. So these are the values I have taken. Now I will be using the first logical function called AND. So what we are going to do is that, so we'll be going to do a conditional test with AND function. So we'll be doing a conditional test with AND function. So here we'll be testing that whether the score 1 is greater than 20 and score 2 is greater than 10. If both the conditions are true, it will result you in true. So AND is the conditional test where both the condition has to be true, then it will result in true. So let us apply the AND function. First, what you have to do, you can go for the formula tab, or you can type the insert function tab. I directly get into the formula part. So first I will be doing shift down arrow key equal to, I will type the function called AND, then press tab key. It will ask you for the logical condition that has to be met. The condition test, first logical condition has to be met out. So first thing is that in the score 1, whether 12 is greater than 20, comma, the next condition test is nothing but 5 is greater than 10. So these are two conditions I have to test, and we will see what the result it will come. Then shift close bracket and I type control enter. It will give you the value as false. So to execute it, to see how the Excel operates, we go to the formula auditing, then we go to evaluate formula. So from this we'll just see how the Excel operates its individual operation, how the Excel is going to perform. So first thing is that we have just typed equal to AND, whether the B7 is nothing but the B7 cell is having a value 12 and it takes value 12. Here we'll be testing the conditions nothing but 12 is greater than 20. 12 is not greater than 20, it will return false. Yeah, it is returning false. Then the cursor will shift to the next argument, the logical test 2, the condition test 2. The C7 is having a value called 5. The C7 will take the value as 5. Now it will test for the condition called 5 is greater than 10. No, it is false. It will return false. So AND is a condition where both the condition has to be satisfied. If both the conditions are false, then the result will be false, right? So that is the result it will be coming up, right? So here it is asking for true, right? It is asking for true. Let us see, we check it randomly. So here the B10 is the cell we have. B10 cell is nothing but 66. It will take the 66 as a value. 66 is greater than 20. Yes, 66 is greater than 20. Then it will check, yes, 16 is greater than 20. It will just return the value as true. The same way, it will the cursor will move to the cell called C10. C10 is the value of 13. It will take 13 is the value. We know 13 is greater than 10. It is true. So both the conditions are true. Both the logical test that the AND function is performing on the value, right? The processing on the value. So both are true. The result will be true, right? The last part we have false. It is giving a false, right? So we'll just once again evaluate the formula, how it actually works. And function, we have B13, getting to B13, you have the value called 23 over here. I will just evaluate it. 23 is greater than 20. Yes, it is true. It will return as true. The value will return as true. And C13, it is having the value as 9, right? So it will take 9 and will test the condition 9 is greater than 10. When I evaluate it, it results in false. So AND condition is nothing but where the both logical test has to be satisfied. If any one of the logical test has been failed, the result will be false only. So AND condition nothing but both conditions has to be, both logical test condition has to be false, then only it returns the value false, or both of the condition has to be true, it will return as true. If any one of the condition is result in failure, it will return you the value false. So when I evaluate it, it will return as false. So that is the purpose of your logical condition.